My channel. Hope you have a wonderful day. I want to show you how to join this particular style now, because many people have been asking me how did I join the net, how did I join the cape, and how did I join the front, and that is all I'm going to explain to you. The first thing you're going to do is to take one part of the front here. Just take one part. You know, this is two parts, this part and this other part here. So you're going to take one part, then you're going to join your V-neck to it. You're starting from this area. You can start to make it here, you can start to make it here. It depends on how you want it. So I started my own from here, then I stitch it to this particular place. You can decide to make your own longer than this, depend on the way you cut this V-neck. I stopped my own here. So after then, the next thing you're going to do is to join the back with the front. No, it's a cut together with the sleeve, so that means you're going to start the joining from the sleeve to the shoulder there. I turn this to the wrong part so as to know what I'm explaining. So this is what I said you're going to start the joining from here. You can see it. Then the same thing applicable to the other side. So after joining the two shoulders, the next thing you're going to do is to stitch the shape down for the both sides. After catching the shape, you will realize that this front is opened. Then you're going to we started the taping from one side here. You can see you start the taping from one side, then you take it up. You tape it up. You can see to the back here. You can see you take it, then you can see it, then you come down to the other side too. Down to this area too. So this is where you start from, and this is where you're going to end it. So after then, the next thing to do is to hold it at the center. Now this is the first one, and the second one, just hold it at the center, then you stitch. You can see as tiny as it is. You can see it's not up to ½ inch. So that is how you're going to stitch it. You can see. Then you're going to stitch from that down part to the upper part. Then you're going to stop at anywhere you like. You can see where I stopped mine. You can decide to make yours, and you know it doesn't have zip, so make sure you stopped at where you'll be able to wear the dress. You can see it. Then after you stitch the down part, then this area you can decide to make a band. You can see the band that I joined at the sleeve area to make it longer. Depending on how you want it to be, you can decide to fold a fabric that will reach the full length of the sleeve. So I think with this explanation, you should be able to know how to stitch this particular dress if you have cut yours, and for those people that are about to cut it, so you should know how to stitch it. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in my next tutorial. Bye.